Hi and welcome to our channel. A new uploaded video from the video series House Tours. Today the fourth part, namely small family homes with modern interiors. It is the end of the year and with every passing year, new home interior design trends appear, new furnishing and decorating ideas to fall in love with. So watch the video and turn your living space into a modern nest. The creative designer ideas selected for this video revolve around the idea of creating harmonious home interior environments you can draw energy from, which can help you to relax, rest and enjoy an elegant and modern living space. With an ever-increasing climate thinking, it is a growing desire for each of us to surround ourselves with natural elements, from beautiful landscaping decors such a lush garden to natural interior decorative elements. You will discover in our video that every small home is surrounded by trees, bushes, garden, modern landscaping creation, etc. Large opening like glass doors and wide windows allow the homeowner to connect the home interior with outdoors to extend the living space outside. Regarding the color palette of these beautiful home interiors, you will see here that the use of lovely accent of shade and colors in an otherwise neutral background are predominantly used to create an amazing atmosphere. Just look at these small but beautiful home interiors. They are so beautifully decorated. It is amazing how much a large modern painting or a well-chosen decorative element can change the decor. More and more interior decorators, designers, and brands continue to create amazing objects that make a huge difference in the overall decor. Rough surfaces mixed with smooth surfaces, different materials such as stones, wood, glass mixed together to create absolutely delightful decorative accessories, making our homes to stand out. But let's see together several ideas from our video. Just look at this beautiful small living room and this dining area in a gray and white color palette with vivid green and bright yellow color accents. Superb open space decor with a modern look. Here you can see an amazing master bedroom with a unique look in a dramatic color palette, eclectic style design with just several furnishing and decorating elements, an amazing mix of colors, wallpapered accent wall, large light fixtures above the bed and two different types of table lamps. At the first glance, the whole combination of furniture and decor elements seems weird, bizarre and a little crazy, but everything fell in place and the result is a charming master bedroom decor. Another beautiful living and dining area combination in this image, this time with a slanted high ceiling and a modern wood burning stove in the middle. Adorable modern decor with large windows and gorgeous hardwood flooring throughout. Here in this image you can see a small living and a dining area beautifully in grey and white color palette and with a large opening to a quite large patio. Small home with a beautiful open space at the ground floor, and that brings together living, dining, kitchen and flexible space, half a bathroom and the stairway that leads to the next level where are the bedrooms and the master bedroom. Beautiful decor with a modern rustic touch. Here you can see a beautiful small home interior with a charming living area. I personally love this decor. It is like a fairy tale home interior, white walls, grey accent wall, dark grey painting, hardwood floor, several well-chosen furniture pieces and charming paintings in bright color on the walls. superb home interior with an inspiring Scandinavian style look. Neutral background, walls, parquet, flooring and furniture. The bright colors of several large modern paintings break the monotony of this neutral background. What do you think about this small and cozy living room? Warm and inviting decor made for rest and relaxation. Here in this image you can see the stairway and the flexible living space used as home office of a modern small family home. Small home interior with a lovely living area, large floor-to-ceiling windows allow plenty of natural light to get inside and also allow you to enjoy a beautiful scenery. Here you can see another small home interior with a quite large living room. Again, large windows that let lot of natural light to get inside. High ceiling and beautiful laminate flooring throughout. We sincerely hope you have enjoyed our video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a like. See you soon. Bye.